If you're craving for boneless chicken and namiyan ng mga pagkaon na Taiwan-inspired, then save this video for your next food trip. This is XL Taiwanese Chicken and they have two branches here in Cebu, one in Orhelia and the second branch kay Nadiri sa USC Maine. No need na jud mo ato sa Taiwan just to try their boneless fried chicken. Kay finally, naa na jud diri sa Cebu. And ang nakanindot, sa yun na jud kaayo mag-order diri sa XL Taiwanese Chicken. Daghan kay sila gina-offer diri ng mga pagkaon and guys, they just recently launched their new menu and of course, we have to try it out. Starting with chicken tenders with rice, na perfect dip silang sriracha sauce. It's golden, crispy, and juicy. Next is their cheesy chicken. It's crispy on the outside and nashay mozzarella cheese on the inside. We also tried their chicken thigh with rice and lastly, ilahang bestseller nga XL Taiwanese chicken. Na naay spicy and non-spicy Taiwanese powder na pareha kaayo sa Taiwan. They also have sisig na lamian kay ko silang sisig kay dili siya bidli and balance lang ang flavor. And lastly, bongga kay diri sa XL Taiwanese chicken kay they offer monster dip nga perfect kayo isaw-saw sa ilahang boneless fried chicken and ilahang crispy french fries. Na naay small, medium, and large sizes. Diri sa XL Taiwanese chicken, lami ug barato plus malingaw pa jud mo na mag-get together sa imong friends, family, and even your loved ones. So come and visit them soon and salamat sa pagtanaw.